Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta game on PC via the Steam. So without wasting time, here follow the steps mentioned in this video very carefully. So first of all, open Steam, go to the store and insert the store, search for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 and then click on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta. Then scroll down and here you can read the notice. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 open beta begins August 28 at 10 AM PST. Please see below for more details. And here we'll see play Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta install game button. So simply click on install game button. Then click on click to install now. And here you can see Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta and the file size is 46.81 GB. So click on install. Read the EU LA terms and condition and then click on accept. Then go to library and then click on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta. And here you can see that game is getting downloaded. You will see Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta over here. Just wait, it is starting download. And here you can see that Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta game is getting downloaded on my PC via the Steam launcher. So I hope by following the same steps you can also download or install Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta game via the Steam launcher on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.